everyone, welcome to the AgriSpy YouTube channel. Today we discuss about the history of plant pathology. First, the father of plant pathology in India is E.J. Butler. He is also an Irish mycologist. And E.J. Butler established the systematic plant pathology research work in 1901. After that, he wrote a book, Fungi and Diseases in Plant, in 1918. Okay, the Antimon D. Barry is a father of plant pathology in word, and he is also a father of modern mycology. Antimon D. Barry was experimentally proved that the Phytophthora infestans is caused by the late blight of potato. He also discovered by the heterosis nature of rust. Antimon D. Barry published a book by the name of Physiology of Parasitism. The Theo Pasteurs wrote a book that is Historia Plantarum and Causia Plantarum. Okay, and the gene for gene concept is given by T.H. Floor in 1946 in Linseed. The hypersensitivity concept was given by E.C. Stuckman in 1950. The hypersensitivity क्या होता है? When the pathogen enter in a cell and the cell is completely dead. जैसे ही पैथोजन जो है वो सेल में आता है और सेल पे अटैक करता है और तुरंत वो सेल क्या है वो डेड हो जाता है, तो उसको कहते हैं हम हाइपरसेंसिटिविटी. ओके, एंड द फाउंडर ऑफ वायरोलॉजी is B.M. Burkinje in 1898, and the Adolf Meyer reportedly gave the tobacco mosaic. Okay, T.H. Brull gave rise the flight blight of apple and pear, which is caused by the Irvina milivora. And after that, the Butler and Bisley in 1931 give a book, The Fungi of India. और ये जो बुक है ये बेसिकली क्या होती है, ये अपडेट होती रहती है एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम पीरियड में. और पियर्सन एंड फ्राइज ने एक बुक दी थी जिसका नाम है द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ नोमेनक्लेचर ऑफ फंजाई. बेसिकली दीज आर सम important scientists and important features and important for history of plant pathology. Thank you.